Okay, so I got another box for my referral points that I used with Rivian. In this one, I got the rest of the off-road recovery gear. So I now have the maxtrax and then this. So any off-roading I do, I'm set. This kit is handpicked by Factor 55 for Rivian. You can view everything that it comes with on the Rivian gear store, of course, but it comes with gloves, which are a must for any recovery, and soft shackles, which are really great. There's 2 soft shackles in here. You can read the tag as far as what they're rated and what they are. All good recovery gear has these tags. Here's the 8-foot strap. You can get this gear yourself by using Rivian's referral points. Be sure to use someone's. You don't have to use mine, but use someone's. And the 30-foot toe strap. And then we also have the hitch shackles and pins to go with it. The hitch shackle is aluminum. The pin even says Rivian on it, which is pretty cool. And there's the shackle with the number on the pin as well, which any good shackle is going to have. If you buy recovery gear, make sure that you get quality stuff. Otherwise, you're putting everyone you're working with in a recovery in danger. Here's the manual, goes over kinetic rope that doesn't come in the kit, and some general recovery situations that might be helpful. I also got a few more t-shirts just because. So these will be stocking stuffers and things for my kids. They think Gear Guard's hilarious, especially my younger 2. And my daughter has an electric car as well, my oldest daughter. Thanks for watching, and a huge thank you to all those who have used my referral code. I will keep doing videos the more referrals I get.